Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I am going to be showing you a little project share. This is a cardstock mini album that I made using the Summertime Picnic paper collection by Craft O'Clock. And I'm really happy to be a YouTube ambassador for Craft O'Clock. It is a paper company out of Poland, and I love their paper so much. This video is going to be more of just a show and tell project share. If you're interested in the dimensions or the specifics or close-ups of this mini album, you can head over to the blog at sandpaperroad.com, and there'll be a link below where you can check that out. This is the Summertime Picnic Extras to Cut, and it's a one-sided paper just full of neat things to cut out. And then there's a second one, envelopes, the Summertime Picnic Extras to Cut envelopes. This one is double-sided because I think when you fold the envelope, then you'd have the inside of the envelope. So I'm going to take some time and cut all these out. And I really like how they put the little color palette on the bottom. And I just take and stick it with like a glue dot or something to a yogurt container. And then I store all of the pieces in here. And then I'm ready for the whole project. And you can do that while you're sitting in front of the TV. A real nice, good pair of detail scissors works really well. Now, in addition, this project uses up an entire 6x6 paper pad, and right now this paper pad, depending on when you're watching this video, is not yet available at the Sandpaper Road shop, but check in the description box below, because as soon as it becomes available, I'll put a link below. And until then, the link that you'll see will link to the shop in Poland. So let's get right to the project share. Look at that. Now, all of the papers are in this 6x6 paper pack, and you get 18 double-sided papers with this. And I am here to tell you that I love that paper. Oh my goodness, so much. And then I just added, these are some of the quotes right there. And I actually used a flower punch to punch out some of the, well, not up here, but for here, some of the paper. That was an afterthought when I was done. And some paint spatter, which incidentally got onto the ribbon as well, but that's okay, I suppose. So, and when you open it up, wonderful. So the thought is that you could have some pictures go here. Certainly you could put, you know, a picture here, or whatever you wanted. And then this is a little pull out. Or you could put some journaling here, or you could even put a picture there on the back. Okay, so nice. And look at the construction of the album. Look at that. Look at the construction of the album. Isn't that perfect? It's such a simple little stacked cardstock album. Like I said, if you're interested in the construction of it, head over to the blog, and it's over there. Here again, you could put a picture there and like cover this up, or you could put like a smaller picture, you know, certainly up here like that, or just small pictures. Here's one for journaling, or like you could put one right here, and then it's got the tab to pull out, and front and back. You could always put a picture on the back. Okay, like that. Here's another nice blank page. Let's see. Now this will actually hold, I mean, if you put a whole 4x6 picture right there, then you've got the picture, okay? So if it's just something you wanted to have there, that would be fine too. And then this is a little pull out, or you could have that, or put a little picture here, have a little journaling here. And what I did was I used, these are the envelopes to cut here. And then right here, these are tags. The die cut, well, they're die cuts, but I glued two back to back to serve as a little envelope opener. I thought about putting a little magnet closure there, but I decided not to, because if it stayed open and it was like that, that would still look good. Same with this one. If this was sticking out, like that would still look good, you know? So I wanted to leave it loose like that, and give just a little bit more freedom. Look at that, Our Adventures. Isn't that cute? Look at the bears. Look at that. I just love it. This paper is great because you don't have to do a whole lot of embellishing. The paper itself is pretty well embellished. This is just a little tiny thing. I thought it'd be cool to have, like if you put a picture here, it'd be cool to have the description here or a little bit of journaling about the story and just tuck it right in here. Or you could even tuck like a picture behind. See, that's what I was thinking, is tuck pictures behind in here in all of these little, like little half pockets, you know. There, you could just tuck them. And you know how you, well, maybe not in that one. The tape doesn't seem to, maybe a smaller one. There. You know how sometimes you have just little memories or things like that that you just want to tuck in from a particular event. This is just a nice blank page. This would be perfect if you had, you know, a circle or, you know, a nice rectangle. It depends. Now this is a whole, like each one of these is from a 4x6. It was trimmed to a 4x6 and then I rounded the edges. Same here. Look. Look. I love that. So nice. And you could tuck just a little picture in here if you wanted. This is a little space. Okay, to tuck that in like that. And then you tie that back up. Do that quick. This album, it was so fun to make, this little mini album. It was so quick. And yeah, it didn't take long at all. There we go. Of course, I'm standing up and I don't have my readers on. I can't see what I'm doing. Let's see. Third time's a charm. There we go. It's like the worst bow ever. Then Sunny Day. I love that. And again, you could cover that up. Maybe you don't want to. Maybe you do. Okay. And here's a little pull out. Look at the little paw prints. And some fibers. Space for journaling. You could always put a picture here and then have this to cover it up. You see how it just becomes like a little keepsake, you know? Well, I love that wood. And then look at that. Look at that. You could have two matching pictures here, or two, or small, or whatever, or just cut them into, if you had a punch, if you had like a square punch, you could cut squares from little moments and just put them like that. That would look great. And then this was so beautiful. I just left it plain, and so is this. And I thought it would be cool, like let's say you put this picture here, okay? Then you could just leave that plain. Of course, ice skating, and these are just pictures I grabbed, but you know, whatever pictures match your little mood. And then this, I added just a little acetate window. Okay. And then that, I was thinking, if you put a picture right here, like so, then, and you wanted to put one here, without the little acetate window, when you tried to cut, it'd be picture on picture, which is never good. So at least you'd have a little window, and then you could have a picture and a picture with an acetate window covering that up. See? Isn't that nice? Or you could just put a picture here and then journaling here. Or you could put a picture here and a picture here, front and back like that. Lots of possibilities. I like the idea with the acetate window. And that's the end of the book. Isn't that so cute? So I know this was just a quick video. Just wanted to showcase the Summertime Picnic paper collection, and also to show off my mini album. Oh my goodness, I am here to tell you that I love this mini album so much, and I love the construction of it. It was not my idea. I got it from another YouTuber, and I will link down. There we go. That's a little bit better. I will also put a link to her channel because I was really inspired by the construction of the album. So thank you very much to the other YouTube artist who was my inspiration for the construction. Thank you so much to Craft a Clock for supplying the Summertime Picnic paper collection. Hope you do check them out. It's really, really high quality paper. And head on over to the Sandpaper Road blog and you can check out the close-ups of the album as well. Thanks so much for joining me on my channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.